Download Planswift, extract it, open Microsoft Defender, manage setting, turn off all these virus protections. Okay, go to Planswift folder, Planswift, install this software, accept, regular installation process. It appears, do not launch, finish, open crack, copy crack, open file location, paste, open as administrations, click on flashing blue text, control select yes, open, done, patch complete, just close all the files, open. Open sample project, go any kind of plan if you can make line, so your software is activated. Okay.